Thank you, Your Honor. This is a time case scheduled for a pretrial. Been able to pretrial the case with the city attorney. We have a resolution subject to the court's approval. The defendant will be pleading no contest to one count of retail fraud with the understanding to be taken pursuant to that which is control. The reason for the no contest plea, Your Honor, is a possibility of civil liability.
Okay.
She has been advised of her rights, in particular her rights to trial. She will take this off on that plea today, Your Honor.
All right, ma'am, did you discuss your rights with counsel? You understand those rights and the options they give you? Got them. And you understand the possible penalty for retail fraud? And understanding all of this, are you pleading no contest to that charge? You understand that when you plead no contest, you're literally saying, Judge, I'm not fighting that charge. Yes, and you're pleading no contest freely and voluntarily? Counsel, can you provide the facts I need for an incident date of November 2025?
Judge, I've been able to review police report and take into that incident, which indicated that the defendant was at the Sheets location in Louis, Michigan, took approximately $26 worth of goods without paying for them and exited the store. In reviewing that, I also reviewed that with this prosecuting attorney, how we find a basis for it, Your Honor, as I do something.
All right, I find the facts will support the plea. I'll accept the plea. What should I know before I sentence?
20 years old, living with grandma right now. Her and grandma had been homeless on and off for a number of years. She's stable. She's working right now. She's at Amazon. She's working Wednesdays to Sundays, doing the right thing. She's embarrassed about this. When she came in today, she literally was about to cry. She wants to put this behind her. She'll do whatever she can to reconcile and take care of it.
All right.
Her concern is possibly with work program running into work. She is working 40 hours plus. So that would be her concern, Your Honor, but she's sorry about it. She wants to put it behind her. It's a perfect situation for somebody to avail themselves of a high way.
All right. Where'd you go to high school at?
Renaissance High School in Detroit, Judge.
Graduated? What was your GPA?
6, I think. I don't.
Any school after high school?
Judge, I can help out a little bit. I see where you're going with this and speaking with her.
She should be in school somewhere.
We've talked about it. She's also an entrepreneur. So she's actually making money right now doing hair and nails. Wants to use her Amazon money to fund that. She wants to be an entrepreneur. That's what she wants to do. She appreciates that college is necessary for some stuff. She's got a good head on her shoulder.
Okay.
So we've already talked about that.
Other than this day.
Yes, exactly.
So who is Harris Thompson? So you were with grandma at Sheets? Was it just, I mean, you just had to get something to eat? Where are you living now?
We're trying to figure out an apartment. She's older, so she's trying to get an older apartment. So she don't have to pay as much because we're struggling financially. But right now, I'm kind of living.
The mailing address is proper. Cedar Lawn in Detroit.
Okay. So, before you get out of my building, go downstairs, the counter, far end of the counter, you want to talk to Avery Taylor. He's got a hairdo like his.
Okay.
He's the best dressed guy in the building.
Okay.
Tell him that you've got housing issues right now and see if he can put you in touch with somebody right next door at Wayne Metro. I'm not making any promises other than the fact that let's see if we can give you any help there. Okay. All right. So which Amazon facility are you working at?
BTW.
Where's that one at?
This one?
Okay. That's the one here. Okay. All right. So you're here all the time.
Yeah.
All right. Listen to me. If you get to the point where you got to go to Sheets and steal something to eat, you come see me. You hear me? Come see me. I'll give you money rather than deal with this. I got a gift card right here just waiting for somebody like you. Not you hearing me? Okay. I understand desperation. There's always something better to do. I'm just giving you another better option. Okay. All right. So back to work. How soon can you come up with the restitution for Sheets? The prosecutor said $24.49. So by Friday next week. All right, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give you a lot of grace today. 6 months, stay out of trouble, pay the $24.49 before next Friday's we close of business. And that's all you got to do to keep me happy. All right? Understand. That means that during the next 6 months, if you commit another crime Now I can penalize you on this file. I'm letting you out today. Right? I'm believing him that you're smarter than this, right? That this was just desperation. And I've already given you the fix to desperation, right? Okay? So you keep my tail wagging for 6 months and then we'll dismiss this. This will never bother you in the future. Okay? Good luck.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, next up I got break.
Staff John Gotzing, the key number 43387. Thank you with my, please identify.
Thank you. Trevina, I like that. Where'd that come from? Yeah, tell her I like that. I don't think I've ever heard of Trevina. All right, those are all dismissals. Tell me about the plea.
Judge, what happened is, she was in findings about she should be, she's gone through a lot, she used to have baby and would be careless and, I think there are ramifications if she's foolish enough to, previous mistake.
All right, so you're pleading responsible to careless? That's the way you want to resolve this? That's the way you want to resolve this today? I'll accept that plea and dismiss the misdemeanor. Fines and costs, $250. Looks like you owe us a lot of money already. Oh, what do we got? You got a court date coming up with Judge Patton, April 23rd on Zoom, 10:30. You know about that? Okay. And you already owe us over $1,300. Yeah. $45 clearance fee from 2025, no proof of insurance from 2025, $378 on that one, $276 on an impeding traffic from 2025, $240 from an equipment violation 2025. Civil infractions go into default. If we don't see you, if the ticket date is today and we don't see you for 2 weeks, don't hear from you for 2 weeks, it's in default, you owe the money. I'm sure that's what happened with those. So can you commit to some kind of payment plan? Weekly, monthly, bi-weekly, what works? How much would you like to do every month?
Maybe like $100. I'm not working right now. I just had a baby.
Tell me what you know you can do. 100, start when? Calendar over here if that helps you. Calendar over here on the wall if that helps you. How about May 15th?
22nd.
Sure.
So, she's suspended from this.
On today's file? All right, okay. So today's file is 250 plus 45 because you're already suspended on this one. So I'll send you downstairs, set up your payment plan. I'll clear you out of the first $100 you pay. So when you make your first $100 payment, we'll issue the clearance fee so you can work on getting your license back. Okay,
Judge, thank you so much.
good luck and congratulations on the baby. Peters, indicate the date. Well, we'll just do a notice.
This is new notice even for that Friday. Date.
Language Creole.
So we're pretty good.
You all having your new, they'll give you a new notice in just a moment.
But this is a final with victim to be here.
It's a final victim to be here.
What time are you doing it, Heather?
9 again?
That's fine, because we'll wait to call that till 9:30.
Okay. You ready, Mr. Keewan?
Right, Your Honor, permission to approach.
Yeah. You got everything I need.
Thank you, sir. Just asking for,
All right, Mr. Ackman, can you hear me all right?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, counsel.
good morning, Your Honor. Thank you. Peace 24917 here today on behalf of Mr. Atkins. Sir, state your name for the record, please.
Harry Lee Michael Ackman.
Thank you, sir. Your Honor, today's scheduled for a pre-trial. I'm just asking for another pre-trial. I believe the prosecutor had for May 8th. I have no issue with that.
Is this a final where we need to complain it or just?
She is going to notice the victim. She's not going to subpoena them. She's going to notice them.
Okay. All right.
11, we have Zoom now. Ready?
Don't go anywhere.
Do you want May 11th, Angela, Zoom day, or do you want May 8th and just have this?
On Ackman.
Oh, for the ordinance. Yeah, and my ordinance and my Zooms. I don't get Zooms on this. Oh, I know. I mean, if you want to make it, that's no problem.
I can say this, he's on a personal bond for this case.
So he'll probably be out.
There's a good chance the bond is gonna be reduced.
Okay.
Yeah, let's just keep it on.
Okay.
Yeah.
But you don't want me to make a note for final pretrial for victim to appear? Or you do?
Yeah, I never subpoena them for a final pre-trial.
Okay, yeah, but the idea is if they're not here, it'll be dismissal. Okay, all right, that's right. Oh, another thing, I'm sorry. Wilson, you had a recommendation for $9 restitution from the hotel. And I'm not saying this to be funny, but you tell them, is it Marriott? You tell them if they want their $9, just come in and I'll give them a $10 bill because I'm not gonna order this guy restitution. He's finally off his crack habit, okay? And I'm happy to give him $10 for their sausage. I mean that seriously as hell. I'm perfectly okay. They're entitled to their $9, but I'm not gonna make that guy worry about it when he's trying to find a place to sleep.
For the record, Judge.
You okay?
I got two votes. Yeah, I got five, I'm being generous.
All right, so Mr. Ackman, May 8th, 9 a.m. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor, appreciate it.
What do you got, Andy?
You saw Ronald Hamilton earlier for a Belleville case. The owner of the vehicle is requesting release of the hold on the plate. She is here. She's the wife.
Yeah, I don't even remember the case, but just a DWLS. You know how long it's been since I've seen one of these?
It's been a while.
We used to get these like clockwork, man.
That was in person.
Innocent owner, release of the plate.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yep.
Just real quick, going to address some bond conditions. My client's got to travel to Boston for business for a couple of days.
Let me grab his file again.
Mr. Estrella.
Please state your name, sir. Your Honor.
Tell me about the plea, counsel.
Skip is, there's gonna be a dismissal of, the underlying plea, the big one, which is the driving while license suspended. It'll also be a dismissal of no registered plate, legally guilty to no proof of insurance and, no license person. He added the, what's wrong, Judge?
My plea agreement says dismiss everything. Allow unlicensed person to drive as a plea and then dismiss everything else, including the no proof.
I've done,
I'd go with his disagreement. That's not what he told you? All right, so it's responsible to the no proof of insurance civil infraction?
that's, I believe it's a civil infraction.
That's what I've got is a civil infraction. Okay. All right. You're pleading responsible to that one, Mr. Mohammed? All right, that one, fines and costs $220. Can you pay that today? All right. All right, that's one file down. I'll dismiss the civil infraction registration or plate violation. Now, on the misdemeanors, you discuss your rights and options with counsel? Understood all that? You understand the possible penalty for the charge of allowing an unlicensed driver to operate? Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to that file? That charge? Did you drive a vehicle February 14, 2026? And were you in the city of Belleville? Was your license suspended, revoked, or denied at the time? I will dismiss the drove while license suspended charge. Are you working, sir? Where do you work? How long have you been employed there?
Worked there for the past 5 years.
Okay, how come only part-time?
Have other workers and school as well.
Oh, you're going to school? Where are you going to school?
Washington Community College.
All right, what's the plan?
Plan hopefully is to get back a job at the hospital, finish my schooling.
What's that though? Finish what schooling? Yeah, but what are you trying to finish? What are you looking for? What education you chase? Okay, good. Okay, all right. And what's the status of your license?
Right now it's valid.
Reinstated. Good, good. Anything else you want me to know?
Well, I got insurance. I paid my insurance 6 months in advance.
Good,
Paid off my registration.
awesome. Staying legal.
staying legal, doing everything right, making all my payments.
Okay. And how many credits you're carrying at Washington? You're going to school, right?
Fortunately, yep, I am, I have right now 10, 15 credits so far.
Okay. All right. How many are you're currently going to school right now?
No, I'm registered, I'm not enrolled because I didn't have enough funds to.
Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Fines and costs on this file, $500. Can you pay that today too, or do you need to talk about options?
People need options, Josh.
Do that downstairs. I'm also ordering 4 days on the court work program. Work program is assessed as an alternative to jail. You pick which 4 days you work. You can do that downstairs as well. Any questions? Good luck getting back in school.